Welcome to Hatilin's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to cook a very simple dish. It is called Otak-Otak Steam Egg. Here are the ingredients for this recipe. 2 tablespoons of fried onions, 5 eggs, 250 ml plain water, a packet of otak-otak, 1 tablespoon of spring onions, 1 teaspoon of light soya sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to crack the eggs. Now we are going to whisk the egg. I'm going to pour in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 250 ml water. Whisk until everything combined together. I will pour the piece of otak-otak into the plate and I will break it with a spatula. Now pour in the egg mixture onto the otak-otak. Now we put the egg into the wok. I'm going to cover the lid, let it steam for 18 to 20 minutes over medium heat. Now it is already 20 minutes. Let's check the egg to see if it is cooked. For us, we cannot see. We need to touch the egg to check if it is cooked. So now it is cooked because the egg is already set. Remove the steamed egg from the wok. I'm going to put spring onions, fried onions, soya sauce, and sesame oil onto the steamed egg. Our otak-otak steamed egg is ready to be served. Do give it a try and I hope that you enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you.